So we've got this cubic here, and we know that the roots are alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha. So the product of those roots, add all those things together, would be 6 alpha, and that would be minus b over a, wouldn't it? We know that 6 alpha then is minus 48 over 2, it's minus 24, so we can figure out that alpha's minus 4. Now, one way to continue this would be to go, okay, so if alpha's minus 4, then that one's minus 8, and that one's minus 12, and we can multiply all those together. But I suppose actually maybe the better way would be to do the pairs, that the pairs of the roots gives us 2 alpha squared, it gives us 3 alpha squared, and 6 alpha squareds. So altogether that makes 11 alpha squareds, and of course the pairs of the roots is c over a. We know what alpha is, it's minus 4, so 16 times 11 there. 16 times 11 is 176 equals c over a, and a is 2, so it makes c being 352. And the product of the roots, these three things times together, gives us 6 alpha cubed, and that equals minus d over a, doesn't it? Now, alpha cubed, so minus 4 cubed, you know that's minus 64. Times that by 6 gives us minus 384 equals minus d over a. So that means it's going to be positive, doesn't it? That means it's going to be 768. So my final quadratic for this one here is 2x cubed from earlier, 48x squared from earlier, just worked out what c is, and just worked out what d is. Through all of these things here, you have to try and figure out what's going to be the quickest and safest and least sort of painful method to go through. Is it playing about with all the roots, or is it multiplying out and expanding the bracket?